Hey everyone! Ever wonder how your phone recognizes your face? Or how Netflix somehow knows exactly what show you will binge next? That is machine learning at work. Machine learning is basically teaching computers to learn patterns and make predictions. Just like how you learn to recognize your mom's voice or predict that your friend will order pizza again. Instead of programming every single rule, we show the computer tons of examples and let it figure out the patterns by itself. Think of machine learning like 3 different ways of learning. First, supervised learning. This is like studying with answer sheets. You give the computer both questions and the correct answers. It learns the pattern, then can answer new questions. This powers email spam detection, medical diagnosis, and price predictions. Second, unsupervised learning. This is like being a detective, finding hidden clues. You give the computer data, but nitrogen monoxide answers. It finds hidden groups or patterns you didn't even know existed. Companies use this to group customers or spot fake accounts. Third, reinforcement learning. This is pure trial and error, like learning to ride a bike. The computer tries different actions and gets rewards or penalties. It learns what works through practice. This is how AI masters video games and how self-driving cars learn to navigate. Let me break this down with everyone's favorite example, teaching a computer to tell cats from dogs. Step 1. Collect data. We gather thousands of cat and dog photos and label each one. Cat, dog, cat, dog. Step 2. Training time. The computer starts looking for patterns. Pointy ears versus floppy ears. Whiskers versus no whiskers. It makes tons of wrong guesses at first, but each mistake teaches it something new. Step 3. The test we show it brand new photos it's never seen before. How well can it guess? If it's wrong too often, back to training. Step 4. Ready to go now. It can classify any new photo you throw at it. Key concepts you need to know. Algorithm. Think of this as the computer study method. Just like some people learn better with flashcards, while others need practice problems. Different algorithms work better for different problems. Data! This is the fuel that powers everything. And here's the thing. Quality beats quantity every time. Garbage in, garbage out. Model. This is the computer's brain. After all, that training, like your knowledge after studying for a test, it contains all the learned patterns. Accuracy. Simply how often the computer gets it right. 95% accuracy means it's correct 95 times out of 100. Overfitting. This is when the computer cheats by memorizing instead of actually learning. Like memorizing test answers instead of understanding the subject. It works great on practice tests but fails miserably on new problems. Machine learning is literally everywhere around you. On your phone, voice assistants like Siri. Camera face detection. Even that predictive text that finishes your sentences. Your entertainment Netflix recommendations. Spotify, Discover Weekly, AI opponents in video games. And those crazy photo filters on Instagram and TikTok. Daily life stuff. Google Maps, predicting traffic. Your credit card catching fraud. Amazon, knowing what you want to buy. And weather apps getting surprisingly accurate. The future is coming. Self-driving cars, personalized medicine that's tailored just for you, and AI helping solve climate change. Want to try this yourself? You don't need a computer science degree! No coding required. Try Google's Teachable Machine. You can literally train your own image classifier in minutes. Play around with ChatGPT. Watch YouTube videos about AI. Ready to code? Learn Python! It's the easiest language for machine learning. Try Scratch for machine learning. Take online courses on Khan Academy or Coursera. Think like an engineer. Start looking for patterns everywhere. Ask yourself, what predictions could help here? Notice when computers are making decisions for you throughout your day. Here's the bottom line. Machine learning is not magic. It's pattern recognition on steroids. The computer looks at tons of examples, finds the patterns, and uses those patterns to make predictions about new stuff. It's not about replacing human intelligence. It's about helping us solve problems that have way too much data for humans to process quickly. And the coolest part, you do not need a PhD to start experimenting with it today. Remember, machine learning is just teaching computers to recognize patterns and make predictions. The exact same way you learn to recognize your favorite song in the first few seconds. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos like these.